location for this massive sale. Get in early for best selection. Come and be amazed at Osmond's Furniture's biggest showroom ever at 584 Water Street West in the former TRA Cash and Carry.
If you have land to take care of and you want a compact utility tractor, well, your tractor is right here. Atlantic Trailer and Equipment has some of the toughest, most powerful, and most fuel-efficient tractors ever. They're called Coyote. That's Coyote, K-I-O-T-I. We have a whole pack of models that offer more power but use less fuel, so you can do all the digging, mowing, and carrying you need. See your new Coyote tractor today at Atlantic Trailer and Equipment, 8 Montrose Place, Donovan's, and AtlanticTrailer.ca.
Every election, liberals and conservatives make big promises to people like me. And after every election, they break those promises. Every single time. I'm voting for the party that's always on my side. For quality health care, public pensions at age 65, a serious plan for our environment, and $15 a day childcare. I'm voting for the one party that works for me. I'm voting NDP.
Authorized by the registered agent for Canada.
I want the kittens to look at the camera.
See now, pay later with no money down, no payments, and no interest for 13 months.
Trust
your eyes to Ben's vision. Olympic gold medalist Brad Guju did.
Through the rest of today, generally cloudy and breezy with periods of rain and rain showers developing. Highs are near 13. Tonight, evening showers, then partly cloudy, lows are near 3. For Monday, partly sunny with highs near 8. And for Tuesday, partly sunny, highs are near 7. This is Precision Weather Meteorologist Matt Stevens for Coast 1011.
The 70s with Charlie Tuna, brought to you by Tucker Acura. Visit Tucker Acura now at their temporary location, 969 Topsail Road.